Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from FabFitFun and this is their style box. There is a $20 styling fee that you get a credit towards any purchase that you make. Keep what you like, send back the rest, and they do include a postage paid envelope inside that you have to take to a Federal Express drop-off location. That's their only downfall right now. You do fill out a profile on their site, and you have 3 days to return the items once you receive them. And if you keep all the items in the box, you receive a $25 discount. So let's get right into the box, and it comes in a nice big box. Open it up. And you get, paperwork inside. Let's see, you get a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Jess. Put that to the side. And then you get a list of all the items in your box with, I think, the price. Do they give you? Yes, your price that you would pay if you decide to keep the items. And then they tell you after your discount, less your styling fee, if you keep all the items in the box, what it would cost. And here I wanted to show you. So they send you the envelope pre-labeled. You just take it to a FedEx drop-off location. So we'll put that to the side. And we have a nice bundle here, as you can see, nicely packaged. So we're going to remove the box. Oops. Out of the way, and put the items here. And this was loose in the box, and this is the neatest way. I wasn't sure what it was. Oh, it says push right here. The neatest way to send earrings, and these are a pair of earrings. I mean, they are adorable. So they're post earrings, and I guess you would just take this little plastic piece off, but here they are. Let me show them up against something black so that you can see them. So there's one. I mean, they're very pretty. I know on my style profile I would have put silver because I don't have anything with gold jewelry. So these are beautiful, but obviously something I'm not going to be keeping because I don't have anything gold and I don't wear gold. But I must say I love how the presentation is for the earrings. And the earrings are the Norma small hoop earrings. The color is gold and they have a price of $28. So like if you decided you wanted to keep the earrings, since you already paid the $20 styling fee, these earrings would only cost you an additional $8. But in my case, they'll be going back because they're not the color of metal that I would choose. So the first item in here is from Paper Crane. Oh, this is pretty. Is this a long sleeve or 3/4? I would assume this is a long sleeve. It's like a waffle knit. And dolman sleeves. I'll just hold this up here so you can see. Very pretty. Hopefully this is not too long because length is an issue. And the back is just a plain back, with the seam down the middle. Let me see if this is slit or so. Yeah, just a nice and soft material. So we will put that aside. And that is the waffle dolman top. And it's light blue. And the price of that is $44. This next item is... This is the Stacy Drape front cardigan. The color is charcoal, and this has a value of $48. And this is just your typical, open front cardigan, long sleeve. It's a knit, so it's great for a transitional piece. It has like that shawl collar fold over effect. you know, just a basic, very basic cardigan. So we'll put that aside also. And then this here, and that is $48. And this is the Clementine draped suede jacket, and this is black, and this retails for $89. And this has that same type of, how does this, so this is a jacket. So it has the like winged, you know, the longer off to the sides. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see through that. So it's sort of like a yeah, there you go. And then as you come around, and this almost feels like a suede, but and you can see that it's oh, that's pretty interesting. Oh, it snaps down the, I think I'll show you guys this a little bit better. There are snaps here. 1, 2, 3 snaps. So I guess if you needed to fold it up, I mean, it might be a little bit long. And here's the front. Oh, and there are pockets. Little pockets in the front. And then the front comes down to a point. So that's interesting. I like that. And then the last item are, and I guess it's Breen or Breen, B-R-E-N-E, skinny fray hem jeans. And these are in denim blue, and these are $70. So these are your frayed bottom, you know, uncuffed, which is nice. And there's the skinny jeans. So here's the back. You know, just your basic. And these have some stretch to them. You know, they have 2 back pockets. Here. You know, your button closure. No real distressing, but a little bit, you know, at the top with the creasing, but not really a distress. And they're, I'm trying to think who, and the company says Dex, D-E-X, but I don't know why that just must be their name for them in-house. So they're the pair of jeans, and like I said, they're $70. So if I were to keep everything, it totals $279. That's the total of all the products. Then the discount, which would be the 25% discount, I would save $69.75, less my styling fee of $20. If I kept every item, it would be $189.25. So I will, you know, try all these on and see how they go. I'm probably, with the cardigan and the jacket, probably going to be a no-go. Just because we're coming into, we're already into spring, and here in Pennsylvania, it gets hot in the summertime, and I have so many fleece and, you know, sweat jacket hoodie style that I really, and I do have lightweight cardigans that I really just do not need anything like that. And this might be a little bit too warm still coming in, like I said, coming into it, and I don't want to buy something now and then hold it till the fall or the winter. The jeans I will try just to see. I do have several pairs of jeans, and like I said, we're coming into hot weather. It's shorts weather, and I live in shorts in the summertime here. I'm curious about the shirt, because that might be something that I might get because of the length, and I do have a hard time. I'm only 5'1" to find tops of any kind, whether I have to hold that until, you know, maybe the fall, or I might get some use of it out in the spring here, just because I don't like when they're too long. It just, you know, tops sort of like engulf me and sort of make me disappear, and I'm already not tall or short. So then when I have a long top on, it looks like I have no legs, so that makes me even shorter. And I would have probably kept these because, you know, earrings, I don't think you can ever have too many. But since they're not the right metal color, you know, they're automatically going to go back. So I will post pictures at the end of the video and show you each item individually a little closer up. So this is the FabFitFun Style Box, and I don't believe every member is able to get this yet. I don't know when their rollout date for every FabFitFun member to be able to get this, and maybe even people that are not FabFitFun. I'm not real sure on that. I know the last couple boxes were still like in beta testing, and I'm not sure if this one still is. I believe it is. So that is the video for today, and this is from FabFitFun Style. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think about this type of box. And most importantly, subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.